Hi, thanks for choosing PUQ Press. In this video, we'll help you install your new PUQ Press. The PUQ Press comes with an Allen key, wrench, power cord, manual, and a quick start guide. The tool you need during the following instruction is the wrench that comes with the PUQ Press. Start with loosening the 2 screws by using the wrench. Fit the portafilter between the upper and lower clamp by using the adjusting wheel. Tighten the 2 screws by using the wrench. Test fit with your portafilter. That's too wiggly. Let's try again. Excellent. It fits nice and snugly. Install the power cord and turn on the PUQ Press. Now you can set the desired tamping pounds or kilograms by using the plus and minus button. Let's tamp.